Welcome to Stoop, where we watch people do stupid things, and we decide who's the most stupid. And here we go. Let's roll with it. Here we go.
Come here. It's cold, I know. You're freezing. You got a lot of fur, though. Ow! Motherfucker! Son of a bitch got me. Ow!
I mean, if it looks like a dog, doesn't mean it's gonna act like a dog. Holy cray. It's crazy. The dude is so old, he forgot how to push record. Oh, this man looks like he's running from the popo. And the things. I can't even talk. So funny. The thing that takes. If you notice the little man purse he had, oh my gosh, that is awesome. All right, we're gonna have a winner here. The one that takes the cake, or the Stoop Award, Stupid Ticket. Yeah, definitely. The man that stuck his hand out to a wild animal. That's the stupid ticket right there. He's the one. Alright, so if you like more of this Stoop Talk, we'll have more of these coming. Please subscribe, write a comment, or push like. Totally would be fun for us, and we appreciate it. Have a good day.
You're stupid.